Assalamu alaikum and welcome again on my channel. So today we continue our discussion about the peptic ulcer drugs or the drugs used in the peptic ulcer disease. So before moving towards the peptic ulcer drugs, we must have a concept about the peptic ulcer. Peptic ulcer is the ulceration of the gastrointestinal tract, typically in the stomach and in the duodenum, caused by the damaged mucosa due to acid and the pepsin. So this is APD or acid peptic disease. So there are several different causes of the APD. Number one is by Helicobacter pylori infection. Number second is by stress, and number third is prolonged use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. So to understand the physiology of the gastric acid release, I draw this parietal cell of the stomach. This is present in the upper part of the stomach. This is the proton pump. This is the proton pump. And basically this is an antiport. It pumps out the hydrogen into the stomach lumen and in exchange pumps the potassium into the cell, into the parietal cell. This is the final step of the gastric acid production, to pump out the hydrogen into the lumen. So basically it has three receptors on it. Number one is muscarinic receptor, which is stimulated by the acetylcholine. Number two is H2 receptor, which is stimulated by the histamine. And number third is G receptor, which is stimulated by the gastrin. All three receptors stimulates to increase the production of the gastric acid. So understand the concept. In the acid peptic disease, we have to decrease the production of the acid into the stomach. So write it down, the drugs to reduce the acid production. Number one, we use the proton pump inhibitors, or known as PPIs. These are the most commonly used and the most potent drugs, included the omeprazole, these drugs basically blocks this proton pump, acts on the pump and blocks this pump and inhibit the hydrogen release into the stomach lumen. Omeprazole, esomeprazole, lansoprazole, etc. Number second is by blocking this muscarinic receptor or M1 receptor. M1 antagonists. M1 or muscarinic antagonists. So pyrazapine is the drug that blocks this M1 receptor. Pyrazapine. Number third is by blocking this H2 receptor. H2 antagonists. These includes cimetidine, famotidine, etc. And in the last, gastrin receptor blocker. Gastrin receptor blocker. The drug that block this gastrin receptor is known as proguanide. Proguanide. So these are the drugs that block these receptors and reduce the acid production in the stomach.